Here are the top 5 AI coins to hold for the bull run, in my opinion, of course. And I'm going to talk about these in order of market cap size. So the first coin I'm going to talk about is the largest market cap, and the last coin I talk about is going to be the lowest market cap coin on the list. And the first coin on my list today is Bittensor, currently sitting at a $3.8 billion market cap. So there's plenty of potential upside left in the tank for this if we're going to go into a major bull run. And this is probably the safest AI coin to hold that's still got a lot of potential upside. So what Bittensor basically is it's a big ecosystem full of a bunch of subnets, and these subnets are basically all types of different little businesses basically, and these businesses will relate to something to do with AI. So whether that's AI agents, data storage, or AI trading bots, any sort of task that's related to AI and blockchain can be built into one of these subnets, right? And basically an owner will create a subnet, and then miners can come into the subnet and they can produce work for the subnet. So they can create trading bots, for example, for a trading bot subnet. And then there's validators in the subnet that basically quality check the miner's works and then decide whether it goes into the subnet or not. And there's also stakeholders that basically invest into the subnet. So Bittensor is basically a big ecosystem of AI subnets, which are like little businesses, little companies, pretty much. Okay, so huge potential for this. And this could also generate a lot of hype for the bull run, being one of the biggest AI coins, right? And I think this is the biggest new AI coin. Obviously there's Near Protocol, there's Render, which is kind of AI, but they're old. You know, Bittensor's new is going to generate more hype in the bull run because it's new. So Bittensor's the best large cap AI project to hold, in my opinion. Second up on my list today is Fartcoin, and this is the leading AI meme coin, currently sitting at a $1.5 billion market cap. And this is good because memes are hot in the bull run. Meme coins are obviously going to run, like we've already seen in the part of the bull run. In the last leg of the bull run, we already saw that with memes running back here. And now in the next part of the bull run, we're going to see memes obviously take off again. And this is the leading AI meme coin. It can obviously skyrocket because meme coins are hot, AI is hot, leading AI meme coin, and it's called Fartcoin, and everybody thinks farts are hilarious. So that's all I have to say. The leading AI meme coin, simple as that. It can do well in the bull run. Third coin on my list today is Virtual's Protocol, and this is the leading AI agents launchpad. So I guess you could say it's kind of similar to pump.fun, but with AI agents. And obviously Solana had a massive pump due to pump.fun. All the new meme coins being created on pump.fun is obviously why Solana skyrocketed. And now we get a lot of hype going for these AI agents, and AI agents are going to be the next meme coins. This is basically what that is, right? This is basically just launching AI meme coins left, right and centre. And yeah, if the AI agents go crazy in the peak of the bull run, then they're the next meme coins, then this could have a crazy run. Most of the AI agents that had a run in the previous leg of this bull run were launched on virtuals, right? Well, I think pretty much they were all launched on virtuals, right? All of the big AI agents were launched on virtuals, including Luna, Zerabro, AI Xbit, and some others, right? And this is over a double to get back up to the previous all-time high. Okay, and obviously we could go a lot higher than that if the bull run's going to get more crazy. And this one's trying to break out, to be honest. So we pull this up on the trading view chart. We're trying to break out of this purple box, which is something I put up. I drew this here when it was down here, when I bought down here at the bottom here. This is where I jumped in to virtual somewhere, or maybe it was here or something. I drew this up here, so it seems to be holding in that range, and it's trying to push up against it, right? And it is also forming a ascending triangle. Ascending triangle, that's a bullish continuation pattern, so there is a chance that once we break above this, you know, we can send it higher. Okay, obviously we don't know that for sure. A lot of it's going to depend on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin's going to continue breaking out higher and we get an altcoin season, obviously that's going to happen. But obviously if Bitcoin goes down, then this can drop down, you know, maybe back down to the 200-day moving average down here at the bottom of this range. It's probably not going to break beneath that. It depends. If Bitcoin crashes, depends how hard it crashes, right? As of right now, it's looking good. So this is a great one to hold for the bull run, in my opinion. The fourth coin on my list is Turbo. So Turbo is the first ever AI generated meme coin. Just hop over onto the website. It's got a doxed founder, which is more or less unheard of with meme coins, right? Meme coins are absolutely full of anonymous teams, and yeah, I don't think I've seen, this is probably one of the only meme coins I've seen that's got a doxed founder. It's listed on like all the exchanges, like every single one. Binance, Coinbase, OKX, you name it, it's on it. Not sure if it's on Robinhood, because I can't look on Robinhood because the UK version of Robinhood doesn't do crypto, so I can't actually check the US Robinhood. If it's not on Robinhood yet, that's another potential bullish catalyst for Turbo to come in the future. So Turbo is great for the bull run again, in my opinion, hitting the meme coin narrative, hitting the AI narrative. As the first AI generated meme coin, it could do well. So the last coin on my list today is Cookie DAO. I'm actually trying to get an entry into this one, right? So it's kind of pumped up quite a bit here, along with virtuals as well. Some of these AI tokens are pumping, right? So I'm kind of waiting for a pullback. I don't really want to buy here just in case it pulls back on me, but maybe it doesn't pull back, maybe it just keeps on going. Again, a lot of this is going to depend on what Bitcoin does, so I'm just keeping an eye on this one for now, but I am trying to get an entry, and if it comes back down to these levels, I'm going to start buying in. So like I said, it's kind of similar to a DEX but for AI agents, so you can just see all of the different AI agents here, and you can see which ones are the best based on mind share and sentiment. It just makes it easier to analyze AI agents and go through which ones you want to buy, or what ones are good, what ones are bad. So yeah, this just ties into the AI agents narrative. You can also swap and trade on here as well. Okay, so it's like a DEX as well. And you can also see a bunch of new tokens here before the token generation event. Okay, so you can look at those as well, and you can categorize this based on mind share, sentiment, or market cap. I'm not too sure what this little triangle is. If any of you know what this little triangle here means, then go ahead, drop that in a comment, because I can't figure out what this means. If I go on regular mind share, it shows me the bigger tokens, Solana, Ethereum, and if I put the one with the triangle on it, it's still got Bitcoin there, but then it goes virtuals and Cookie, so I don't really know what the hell that triangle's for. Please let me know in the comments if you know what the hell that means. But yeah, so this token seems to have quite a lot of utility, right? And it ties into the AI agents. And I was looking at another coin called Kaito, and this one, Kaito, is currently at 500 million. So I was looking at both of these. I was looking at this one and Cookie, but I'm trying to buy into Cookie because it's a lower market cap. Cookie's only 150 million market cap. Kaito's almost 500 million now, since it's pumped up from down here, but they're very similar. So we come onto the Kaito's website. This shows the pre-token generation event projects, okay, based on mindshare, but that's pretty much all it does. It doesn't do the AI agent stuff, it just seems to only do that. The Cookie one looks better in my opinion. I think this one's just got more insiders and more VCs that are pumping money into this and promoting it, whereas Cookie is a DAO, which stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization, right? So there isn't like insiders, so to speak. It's basically community based, so this isn't going to have a bunch of big VCs in it. So maybe this one can catch up with Kaito soon and go up to 5 million market cap, which will put it at a 3x, right, from where it is now. And obviously in the bull run, I think it can go a lot higher. It has recently been to 200 million market cap, so it's actually not too far away from there right now, and we could get a break through past the previous all-time highs pretty soon. But I'm still going to wait for a pullback because I can't be buying here. I don't know, it might break out and go higher. I don't know, man, I just can't be buying here. I need to wait for a pullback. There you go, there's my top 5 AI picks for the bull run. Go ahead, drop me a like for good luck, subscribe to keep up with future videos, and thanks for watching.